A new challenger has arrived.
Now, I had a can of fogger, I should say, and it broke, so they sent me a new one, and I left it with the power on, and it broke again.
1 hour later.
No, I got a little squish plant therapy a long time ago. It's good for powdery mildew, fungus gnats, supposedly. It doesn't take care of fungus gnats at all. White flies, mites, botrytis, which is bud rot, aphids, thrips. It is soybean oil, peppermint oil, citric acid, water, alcohol, drop of soap, basically. It makes this stuff up. How you can make it on your own if you wanted to, but you can just buy it. And what it does is, it has like terpenes that repel stuff too from like the oils. The oils cover stuff so insects that breathe through their body, they get covered in oil, they suffocate, they can't breathe. It changes the pH of the outside, of the leaves and stuff, and if you soak the soil with it, it will change the pH of the top of the soil and make it uninhabitable for these things. So that's what it does. The oil coats it and pH change for killing funguses and bugs.
A few moments later.
Okay, so obviously those gotta go. We got these. Looks like they're they're there if we look hard enough. Yeah, they're all back there. They're more on the clover, but to deal with that, we got this. So pumps feels good, and we're gonna, as soon as lights off, we're gonna soak these motherfuckers. Let's soak the soil, let's soak the plants. There we go. There we go. Under the leaves. Underneath, yeah, everything. So I'm gonna put the foam down. We're gonna spray it underneath the leaf. See how it's kind of dry? I ain't get underneath the leaves. We're gonna get everything underneath the leaves. I think it's already killing them. I'm going to soak the soil with it. I'm going to buy some ladybugs or some lace wings. Let them do their thing.
Eventually.
Now, I got all 4 of them sprayed down. And I soaked the soil. So it probably got into the soil on purpose. I don't want these. Those don't seem to have anything. It might be dirt. It might be starch. I think it's just dirt. Is it dirt? I don't know. I think it's just dirt. This one has bugs. Hang bugs. Because it's dead now. Look at all of this. So, they're dead. But yeah. We're going to keep spraying. And I'm going to buy some kind of predator. And we're going to have little baby predator pets in here soon. So that when these fuckers come back, we have a natural way to cure it. Besides plant use. Soap, alcohol, and water. It's basically what most pills do. Only good bugs are dead bugs. Okay.